This isn't just another electric SUV. This is a revolution in all-terrain tires. The 2026 Jeep Recon EV charges into the future as a bold, silent beast that proves adventure doesn't need gasoline to be thrilling. From the very first glance, the Jeep Recon EV makes one thing clear. This vehicle was born to leave the pavement behind. Its squared-off stance, muscular proportions, and unmistakable Jeep DNA feel both futuristic and rugged. The signature 7-slot grille has been reimagined for the electric era, cleaner and more aerodynamic, yet still instantly recognizable. Sharp LED lighting slices through the night, while chunky fenders and aggressive tires signal serious off-road intent. This is not a soft city crossover pretending to be tough. This is a true Jeep redesigned for the future. Step inside, and the Recon EV transforms from trail warrior to digital command center. The interior blends durability with modern luxury, creating a cabin that feels ready for mud, dust, and long road trips alike. A wide digital display dominates the dashboard, delivering navigation, off-road data, and vehicle settings with crisp clarity. Physical controls remain where they matter most because Jeep understands that adventure doesn't always happen with clean hands. Premium materials, smart storage, and removable panels reinforce the Recon's open-air lifestyle, making every drive feel like an escape rather than a commute. But the real shock comes when you hit the accelerator. The 2026 Jeep Recon EV delivers instant electric torque that feels both smooth and savage. There's no engine roar, just a powerful surge forward that pins you to your seat. This silent strength changes the entire off-road experience. Crawling over rocks, climbing steep trails, or navigating sand becomes more precise and controlled than ever before. With multiple electric motors and advanced four-wheel drive systems, the Recon EV can send power exactly where it's needed, turning difficult terrain into a playground. Range anxiety? Jeep knows its audience. The Recon EV is expected to offer competitive range figures designed for real-world adventure, not just city driving. Fast charging capability means less waiting and more exploring, while regenerative braking helps stretch every mile. Whether you're cruising highways or disappearing into the wilderness, this electric Jeep is engineered to keep going. Safety and innovation play a huge role in what makes the Recon EV a true game changer. Advanced driver assist systems provide confidence on-road, while specialized off-road modes adjust traction, suspension response, and power delivery for different environments. Jeep's latest software integrates trail mapping, elevation data, and real-time vehicle diagnostics, making the Recon EV as smart as it is tough. It doesn't just drive, it thinks with you. So where does this leave the competition? The 2026 Jeep Recon EV lands in a market that's hungry for electric vehicles with real personality. While some rivals focus purely on efficiency or luxury, Jeep blends electrification with heritage. This isn't about chasing Tesla or copying anyone else's formula. It's about redefining what an electric SUV can be when it's built for adventure first. Expected pricing positions the Recon EV as a premium offering, but one that justifies its cost through capability, technology, and unmistakable character. The biggest question is simple: does this change everything? For Jeep fans, the answer feels like yes. The Recon EV proves that electrification doesn't mean compromise. It means evolution. It means quieter trails, stronger performance, and a new kind of freedom. This is the future of off-roading, and it's arriving faster than anyone expected. The 2026 Jeep Recon EV isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, a promise that the wild spirit of Jeep will survive and thrive in an electric world. Silent power has never felt this exciting, and adventure has never looked this advanced. Don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow today. Which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments.